Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix enable to use Safari after updating iPhone or iOS 17.4.1. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open Safari and close Safari app, and after that open Safari again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to do simply restart your device. Sometime early simple restart can resolve this type of issue. So guys, for that you have to simply open settings and from here scroll to below, then tap on journal. From here guys, scroll to below, then here tap on shutdown, and from here guys shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your iPhone and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then we have to simply open settings again. Now from here guys, simply scroll below and locate for Safari, and here you can see guys Safari, tap on it. Now from here guys, scroll below, then here you can see clear history and website data. Tap on it and tap on all history, and also tap on close all tabs. And from here guys, simply tap on here clear history and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then go for the other solution. Simply go back. From here guys, simply open journal, scroll below, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, type here reset, tap on reset all setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.